Hi. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna show you is how to recolor something that is from the game itself, and then how to recolor a custom content. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is create a new folder. I'm gonna name it recolor. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna open up my Sims 4 Studio and then select create cast standalone cast. Okay. So then I can start filtering out my what is it that I want to recolor. I'm gonna go for an outfit. Okay. So for most cases when you recolor something, we go for the white texture because it's easier to work with. But if somehow whatever it is that you're trying to recolor doesn't have a white texture, you can select the next thing that is closest to white, which is this one. So I'm gonna select 2 and show you how to change it to white for the other one. Okay, so I'm gonna name this adult dress color. Okay, so what you just did is basically created a new package file for your recolor. Okay, so what you're gonna do next is export the texture or diffuse map. So export, this one is the one with the color, and this one is the white one. Okay, so once you've done that, you can open it on Photoshop. Okay, so what you're gonna do is create a new layer, which is this as you can see on my cat cursor over here pointing at this new a paper icon. Click on it and now you have a new layer. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my paint bucket tool, selecting the color I want and then click on the canvas. So as you can see, everything is pink, but if you press this these buttons on Photoshop, Control Alt G, it layers down to the clothing one. So Control Alt G from this to this. Okay. So the next thing I'm gonna do is change the layer effect. I usually go for linear burn, but again, you can try experimenting around to see which one you prefer. Okay, so once you're done, you can just save as DDS file format. Pink, saved. For the settings, make sure it's DXT5 ARGB 8BPP. 2D texture, generate MIP maps, follow these settings and save. Okay, so once you're done, you can go back to your Sims 4 Studio. As you can see earlier on, we selected 2 texture. You can remove it. Okay, and now import the one you recolored. So I'm gonna change the format to DDS since I save as a DDS file on Photoshop. So I'm gonna import this one. Okay, so now it's pink. So for the swatch, I want it to be pink as well. So right click on this little box. And as you can see, an eyedrop icon will appear. I'm gonna move it to my dress or where the color I want it to be. Left click, and now you have a pink dress with the pink swatch to show you what color it is. Okay, so for the next one, you can, so if you want to do more recolors, the next you can do is either select the color and paint over it like this, or you can create a new layer, Control Alt G, and set the effect to linear burn. pick a new color, red, and for the first layer, hide it to go off the eye to hide the that layer. So now you have a red one. Save as DDS, saved, and then add swatch, import, and now you have a red one. There you go. So again, hide it, new layer, Control Alt G, linear burn, blue, paint bucket, click, and now you have a blue one. Save as, DDS, blue, saved, add swatch, import, and blue. There you go. Okay, so now for the other one, where is it, the color one? Okay, so if somehow you can't find a white texture, you have something that's close to white, what you can do is go to Image, Adjustment, Black and White, and you can set the present depending on which one you prefer. I usually go for default. Okay, and now you have a white one. So same thing, new layer, Control Alt G, linear burn, new color, click, and now you have a green one. Saved, DDS, green, save. Okay, and add swatch, import, green, and there you go. And you're done with your recolor, and save. Okay, so this is how we recolor objects that are from the game itself. It's the same for objects as well, just pick the white texture and repeat the process like I showed you for the clothing one. Okay, so now the next thing I'm gonna show you is the recoloring for custom content. So let's see, where is it? So I'm gonna download a skirt. Okay, I'm gonna download this skirt and save as. Okay, so once you're done, the file should be on your downloads folder. Okay, I already downloaded. So okay, so what you're gonna do is right click, copy it, and then look for the folder location documents, Qvoix Studio, mods, and then you paste the custom content that you just downloaded in there. Okay, so now once it's there, open up your Qvoix Studio. Same thing, create cast standalone, cast. Okay, so for the filter, what you're gonna do is select custom, so it only shows the custom content that you have. That is from the Qvoix Studio mods folder, which is here. It's not, how do you say this? The location for this mod folder is not the same as the mods folder for the game, for the Sims 4 game. So it's different. So as you can see, this is the mods folder for my in-game that I have, and this is the mods folder for Qvoix Studio. Okay, sorry. So what I'm gonna do is, because sometimes the thumbnail they have are all black, so what I'm gonna do is select all of it. Next, I'm gonna type, what's the name of it? Simplicity Nyla skirt recolor. Saved. Okay, so now I create a new package file. Okay, so now I'm gonna look for the white swatch, which is this one. Okay, and I'm gonna export it as a PNG skirt. Okay, so once I've done that, what I'm gonna do is remove all these swatches, because since these swatches are from the original creator and we wanted to make our own and not have theirs in our package file. So I remove all of it. It's kind of slow. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna open up the skirt texture on Photoshop. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is do the same thing as we did for the outfit. Create a new layer, Control Alt G, linear burn, and then we can pick our color, and there you go. Okay, once you're done that, save as blue, light blue. Okay, DDS, saved, there we go. And then you import the texture or the recolor to your package file. Wait, where is it? Oh, there we go. Okay, so now we have a blue one. Right click, select. Okay, I'm gonna do a few more. Brown, linear burn, save as, DDS. What is this? Green? Okay, saved. Okay. I'm gonna wait. There we go. Okay. So once you're done, you can save. Put these two on my Sims 4 mods folder. Okay. And also don't forget the original mesh of the skirt from the creator. So I'm gonna cut and then paste it to my mods folder. Okay. So once I'm done, you can open up your Sims 4 Studio. Oh, sorry, open up your game. Okay, so now we're in game, and as you can see, the recolor we just did for the EA dress is right here under custom content. And as for the skirt, it's right here. Oopsie. Let's give it a close. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, so now this is the recolor for the custom content that we just did. This is the original one from the creator, and this is the one we just did. And that should be it. I kind of forgot to tell you, but if you want to recolor images or something like that, you can Google image the picture you wanted, right click, copy, and then on Photoshop, what you can do is press Ctrl V to paste the image, and while holding Ctrl, press T to go into the resizing mode, and you can resize your image, and then enter to confirm it. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do is, since this is the pattern, the stripe B layer, what I'm gonna do is press Ctrl J to make a copied layer of the same image. And now I'm gonna move the image over like this, and then again Ctrl J and move it so it covers the whole skirt. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is select, click on one layer, press shift, click on two more layers, and then I'm going to right click, merge layers so it becomes one, and linear burn, Control Alt G, so it moves down there. There we go. And then for the heat over here, I'm gonna Control V to paste. Again, Control T to go into the resizing mode. While pressing Shift, you can also rotate your image. Once you're done, you let go of the Shift and you move your image right here. Click. Okay, Control J to make another layer of the same image. There we go. Select these two again. Control Alt G, linear burn, and there you go. I'm gonna merge it. Okay, so once you're done, you can save as stripes. Okay, so now, where is it? There we go. Add swatch, import stripes, and there you have your patterned skirt. I'm gonna try another one with flowers. Copy image, toggle off. Okay, Control V to paste, and I move my image. Control T to resize. There we go. Okay, now over here, Control J to make another one. There we go. Control J here, Control J, another one. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is select all of the layers of the same image. Shift, click, 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 click. Okay, merge layer, Alt, CTRG, linear burn, and there you go. Save as, flower, DDS. And there you go. Saved.